Hey everybody, it's been a while. I think the last video I made was sometime last year. Been away from this for a while with other responsibilities and distractions, but it's good to be back. This latest unboxing is a purchase that I made through Atlantic Firearms. It's a W&F Burn 1896-11 Swiss Infantry rifle in 7.5 by 55 GP11. This is my second Swiss rifle. I have the K31. So I'm really looking forward to unboxing this, and I'll get started. Let's see what's in here. Nicely packaged. No popcorn bubbles, whatever you want to call them, which is nice. I hate dealing with those. Let's see. This is neat the way they packaged it. Should just slide right out of here. No, maybe not. Oh, the bolt is holding it. So let's try to. We'll just have to take this apart. There we go. Nice. Wow. Now let's get this out of the way. And here we have it. Looks like a walnut stock. I understand that these were originally made with the walnut stock. And the Germans, during World War II, refurbished a lot of these and used beech stocks. I might be wrong about that, but if I am, please correct me. I don't really know much about these. Other than that, the 1896-11 is the modernization of the standard 1889. In 1908, a new cartridge was designed by the Germans, the GP11, which is a 7.5 by 55, and that would be the mainstay of the Swiss military for the next 75 years. It has about the same energy as a 30-06, so it's a pretty powerful round. So it looks like it's clear. Nice. It's just in really nice condition. For something that they started building these in 1911, I would have to check the serial number and see when this one was manufactured. I will do that and post it. You can see there's a import mark here. And I understand that these were issued to civilian soldiers. They did their service, I believe it was 2 years. And then if they wanted to keep their rifle, they could pay for it, and it would be stamped with a P. And I don't see this one being stamped with a P. So I guess this stayed in the arms of the military, unless the P is somewhere here and I'm just not seeing it. I'll just hold this up a little closer so you can see the markings. And got a little Swiss cross there. The serial numbers here. Beautiful rifle. It has a 6-round magazine. It pops right out. My K11 that I bought came without the magazine, so I had to buy one. But it looks like the magazine is matching. Yes, it's matching, great. Looks like the barrel and the receiver are matching. It's such great engineering and manufacturing, the Swiss. Cleaning rod intact. Beautiful rifle. The trigger is interesting, its shape. Then you have the butt plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the butt plate. On my K11, there was a little tag underneath the butt plate with the owner's name and address. The person that was actually issued to, which is really cool. And we might find the same here. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, there's no tag. Oh well. Worth a try. Go ahead and put this back together. But there you have it. I'll do this over. There you have it. My new 1898 K11. And thank you for watching. Appreciate your support. If you feel like it, give it a like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Have a good night.